Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Reppo update for you guys. Reppo doing extremely well right now, holding up at the $20.85 million market cap range. Remember we talked about it at 15 mil on the channel. I think now is a great time to enter. Any pullback you see is a great time to enter Reppo. Covered in the last video that the revenue generation has begun. They're already starting to generate revenue. They have the product market fit. They just got above 10,000 holders, which is amazing to see. And the holder growth keeps going because it was at 10,000. Now it's at 10,160 already. So the holders keep increasing for Reppo. And I think this is a massive gem. If you look at AI, you take a look at these different types of utility projects. They are just vaporwave, right? They are vaporwave, and that is no joke, right? AI16Z last year went to 2 billion market cap. 2 billion market cap for being vaporwave. Reppo actually has a utility product and, a crack team, extremely crack team, crack community as well, because these guys don't play about their Reppo, right? So, again, if AI16Z went to 2 billion market cap, I see no hesitation why Reppo can't do the same. And a lot of people agree with me. The strength that Reppo has in these market conditions, when every other coin is going to zero or just bleeding nonstop, this cannot be ignored, right? So I'm very bullish on Reppo. We'll be constantly making update for you guys. And as always, I say never go overboard. Never, invest more than you're willing to lose. I think 50,000 Reppo tokens right here is a great bet to have. I really do think that's a great bet, man. 50,000 Reppo is a great bet. That's $1,042, right? You're not gonna break the bank. If things go awry, I don't think that's gonna take you out the game completely, right? And obviously, if it's too much, you could go 25,000 Reppo, $521, right? Because the multi-billion-dollar target remains the same. I'm not gonna leave Reppo until we see. I'm never going to leave Reppo, honestly, because what they're building and, this project more than likely could be a multi-cycle coin, right? So I'm never going to leave Reppo, but on the way to 1 billion, you have 50,000 tokens. That's 50K. 2 billion, that's 100K, right? You have to be able to hold, though, because I know it's tough. And I learned my lessons with this year was very difficult for me, man. Trading-wise, this year has been extremely difficult. So projects like Kita that Reppo partnered with, I sold too early. I sold too early, man, and I didn't even play smart where I took initials with some profit and left in a moon bag. Always leaving a moon bag when you got strong coins. Always leaving that moon bag when you have a strong coin, right? Even if you take your initials, say Reppo goes to 60, 70 mil from here, you got in at 15 mil on a channel, you take your initials, take some profits, leaving that moon bag, man, because I'm telling you, you never know, man. Kita just took me by surprise how it got to 1.6 billion market cap, and I think Reppo will have similar price action, guys. I really do think that's the case. Not be like a moonboy or anything like that, but after you go through everything that Reppo has done, man, I'm telling you guys, this thing is a monster of a gem. 26.4k followers on Twitter. Again, the aerodrome update, and they're just constantly shipping, right? And you check their Twitter account, they're just constantly shipping. When you realize that Reppo is the world's first crypto AI platform that pays you to consume all kinds of content every 96 hours based on your tastes and preferences, an idea and a brain explosion happens. mind-blown explosion happens. Check out private subnets, publish, predict, and earn, right? So again, just extremely bullish on Reppo from RG. While talking to a potential Reppo subnet enterprise owner today, we jammed on how difficult it has become to find a high agency people in our AI dominated world. Humans rely more and more on AI to get things done, and the go-getters are hard to find. Ironically, that is also the reason why this company said they hate working with data vendors and brokers, because they further outsource a job and the agency is just not there. With Reppo's prediction market-based approach to crowdsourcing human feedback, High agency from labelers and annotators is not a promise, it's a guarantee, because profit, right? There you go, man. Reppo has product market fit, PMF. That's what a lot of these projects struggle to find in this space, and that's why a lot of them fail, right? We have RG explaining from a enterprise owner, subnet enterprise owner, having issues, and Reppo solving that issue. You want to build a successful company or a successful brand, find an issue, find a problem that is happening in the world, and solve it. And there you go. That's all it takes, right? Reppo is solving the high agency, the lack of high agency in the AI space, right? I'm telling you guys. So, as always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. This is my Reppo update. Like, comment, subscribe. None of this is financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. Let's keep compounding, keep building. You know, play it safe. Not play it safe, but also take the risk, right? And we keep pushing, moving forward. I'm so ecstatic and excited to see where Reppo goes in the future, man. I really do think this project is a multi-billion-dollar project. And yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next.